I want to bring in our next guest. We have Julien Farel. He's chairman of the Julien Farel Restore Salon Group. And Julien, it's great to have you on the show. And I want to point out that this isn't just any salon that you're the owner of. You're known for your $1,000 haircuts. We're going to get to the cost of your haircuts in just a minute. But first, I want to talk to you just about what you've been through over the past 3.5 months. What has it been like as a business owner? And talk to us how you've successfully navigated this very uncertain time.
Well, thank you, Sheena, to having me to start. Well, we've been busy since 21st of March. We got locked down by the government, and what we did is about keeping our team together and our operation, because we saw 91,000 clients last year. So it was how can we keep that going? Meanwhile, we are locked down. So we had weekly Monday executive team Zoom call, and same thing about the staff member once a week. But beside that, we also have give them a lot of wellness to keep them excited, to put in leave in absence over 100 people, and just keeping basically the management into it. And that was very important for us to entertain them, and especially the people who are alone at home. So with meditation every week, with 3 times a week, we're giving them a trainer on Zoom. We did yoga. We did a lot of things to entertain them. And once a week, we'll all meet together to understand where are we and where we're going, and the operation. So that was very interesting. But beside that, my wife and I, Sulin, who is our CEO, who have reached out every single person to make sure like they were okay, and helping them, to make sure they get their unemployment and they were okay financially. I mean, for us, our community, our team, our safety was very important. And along the way, we have worked about how we're going to regrow. So we have a 10,000 square feet at the Lowe's Regency Hotel in New York on Park Avenue, called Julien Farel Restore Salon and Spa. And therefore, we have a lot of space for Manhattan. And we offer a lot of service, but right now we only open, since Monday, phase 2, what is only hair and color.
Right.
So it's a little bit challenging. We have respect the social distancing. We have changed a little bit the way our salon is designed, because we need to make sure like we are respecting the space. And therefore, during all this time, we have created beautyhelp at julienfarel.com for all the professionals to be able to help them to navigate this ouverture happening. So
right.
Especially for all the owner of salon. So,
Julia, can I jump in and ask you? I mean, it's great to hear how you've been coping through all this and reopening. I do want to get to the price of the haircut, and I can't. I mean, I'm looking myself here that that I'm not sure I would even be allowed in. And is it really $1,000 to get this fixed? Maybe this would actually cost more than $1,000.
No, Andy should get a discount.
No, well, let's let Julien decide.
Tell me what. Here's the thing. My price is high because usually people come from all over the world and they don't come often, because my haircut grow through the time, and I've seen people usually every 3 to 4 to 6 months. So if you calculate whether people go to the barber every 2 weeks, it doesn't make it that expensively. So, but beside that, just to make sure, we reopened and we had over 1,200 clients in waiting list. What was crazy, right? But, our price start from $160 to $1,000, going from $250 to $400 to $1,000, depending on the level you want to take. The same way you go to a hotel, you can have a standard room or a presidential suite.
I think I need the presidential suite here.
Well, here we go.
Yeah.
But Andy, I'm looking forward to have you back in New York City.
Yes, I've got to go back.
That's very important, is when you do a haircut, if it can grow through the time, it makes worth it the people. I mean, I have clients from everywhere, New Zealand, London, France, Italy, everywhere, who's coming a couple of times a year. And the hair connect like an architect. You have a space and you need to build the volume on it. And, through the months, the hair grows, but when the volume stay together, then they don't look shaggy, they don't look bad, they just look like the hair was growing, but graciously. So that's why.
Love it.
So besides that, we also have helped through the pandemic, pushing a lot of online with a shampoo. What is very important for you, Andy, because I was losing my hair. Listen to me. I was losing my hair 10 years ago. And we have created Restore, what is a non-foaming shampoo, who help to keep your scalp hydrated and keep your follicle, make your follicle stronger. And
hair
look at my hair
shampoo.
now. Look at my hair now. It's a non-foaming shampoo. There is no sulfate, no silicone, but it keeps in one process. You can use it every day or twice a day. It keeps your hair alive. That's what I want. Keeping your hair alive.
Julien, I mean, that is a great sales
That's
right there. It's hard to turn it down. Make $1,000 worth it.
That's my biggest joy.
That sounds great. That sounds great. Sign me up.
Julien Farel, chairman of the Julien Farel Restore Salon Group. Great to have you on the show. We really enjoyed it. Thanks so much. We hope you come back in the future.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Sheena. Bye, Andy.
Bye. Thank you.